So hello friends, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to talk about a recent tool that I have created using Python, using which you can use your webcam while you record your videos or during your live stream. It's a simple tool which I've created using Python. To run it, is download this file, this webcam.py, and then open this, any editor that you have, and run this command. Before you run this code, you just need to run this command. So just need to copy this command, click here, cmd, paste it here, press enter. After installing it, in order to run the file, you just need to type python cam.py, press enter, and it will run. I'm closing my webcam because I don't want to show my face, but yeah, here's the output from my webcam. It has a couple of options, so it will be always on top. You can do your stuff. In order to increase the brightness, you can press the up arrow key. In order to decrease the brightness, you can press down arrow key. And also, if you want to quit this, you can press Q. The only thing that you need to make sure is that you have Python installed in your system. That's it. That's the only thing that's required. Now let us see more options. If you want to modify something in, just need to open this with any code editor. So yeah, we require this library. If you don't have, it will give an error. And this code only works for Windows up till now. It doesn't run on Linux because every Linux distribution has its own window manager according to the environment set. That's why this code currently only runs for Windows. So in order to change the height and width of the window, you just need to change this parameters. In order to change the FPS, for example 10, 20, 30, you can change this parameter. So in order to change the resolution, you can modify this frame width and height. You can just copy and paste this. For example 320 and 240. So yeah, this was my code, and if you want to download it, you can check the description. I've given the link to download this code. Also, if you have any questions or you face any errors while you are running this code on Windows, you can definitely comment it and I'll try to solve it. So yeah, you can use this code for yourself. You can modify this and use it. Use this code, use this tool while you live stream. Also, if you want to change your default webcam, you can just, if you have multiple webcams in your system, you can change this from 0 to 1 to 3 according to your webcam. Once again, I'll show you how you can run this code. Just open your file manager, open the location where you have stored this webcam.file, click on this and click cmd, or else as an alternative, you can right click and open in terminal and then just type python, the name of the file .py. In order to quit this window, you just need to press Q. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a nice day. Please like, share this video.